Today we will be testing the swing high low support and resistance indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the swing high low support and resistance indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being profitable. The best one so far, we're able to achieve a 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 919 indicators, with 383 of them being winners. The best one so far, we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the swing high low support and resistance indicator. And so you can see here on screen the indicator, and you can see that it creates these areas of support and resistance. And what we are looking for is when we get a price action break of one of these areas of support or resistance. And so when we get a price action break to the upside of one of the red dotted lines, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get a break to the downside of one of the blue dotted lines, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so it's a pretty simple setup. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Okay, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. So we get this move here with price action when it moves back up above this blue line right here, and then it breaks to the downside and closes to the downside, giving us that short entry. And you can see that we get this push right back to the upside here, which does come up and stop us out. But then we're going to pick up another short as it then rolls over and breaks back to the downside right there. Looks like this time this one will be getting us to our take profit. Yes, it sure does. And looks like we're going to pick up one more as we get something similar. We get a push back to the upside. Then it rolls over and makes the break right back down right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit. And it looks like that one's going to get stopped out as well. But then we are going to pick up a long right here as we then break to the upside of one of these red lines here. And that looks like, yep, stayed away from our stop enough and moved up high enough to get us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up another short signal as we roll over price action here and make this push to the downside, breaking through this blue line right here, giving us that short signal. You can see that we make a nice push to the downside, that one getting us to our take profit once again. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get everything scrolled back here. Go ahead and turn off the indicator. That way it's a little bit easier to see. Actually went a little over the 1 year there, so we'll just get rid of that one. Alright, so let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we have 18 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, I feel like it gave quite a few trades within the 1 year's time, but sometimes that is the problem, gives a little too many trades than we actually need. And just by the default of this indicator, it is designed to create areas of support and resistance, and so sometimes those areas can be broke just for it to come back and basically be pushed right back in that opposite direction. And so a breakout strategy of a support and resistance area isn't really the best way to do it. And so unfortunately, this one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.